Hi guys, this is Neha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to have a killer leg session with the 10 best leg exercises, no equipment required, and it is going to give your thighs the burn it needs. So if you're ready, let's get started. 10 exercises, 45-second each with 15-second rest in between. First exercise is sumo squat.
3, 2, 1, exercise.
Stand with your feet wider than shoulder, point your toes slightly outward. Keep your chest lifted, core engaged, and your spine neutral throughout the movement. Push your hips back and bend your knees, lower yourself with a deep squat. Make sure your knees follow the direction of your toes and do not cave in. Lower as far as you comfortably can, pose briefly, and then press through your knees to return to the standing position. This is an awesome exercise for your inner thighs, glutes, quads, and hamstring. So just give it your all. Rest for 15 seconds. Second exercise is side leg raises.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Stand tall with feet hips width apart and engage your core. Lift one leg straight out to the side without leaning your upper body. Pose at the top, then lower with control. Repeat till 22 seconds, then switch side. Three, two, one, switch side. This exercise strengthens your outer thighs and glutes and improve balance and hip mobility. So this workout is so much more than it looks. Rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is front lunge.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Stand tall with feet hips width apart and core engaged. Step one foot forward and bend both knees to lower your body until the back knees nearly touches the ground. Keep your front knees aligned with your toes and chest lifted. Push through the front heel to return to the standing and switch side. Guys, don't give up until 45 seconds is over. I'm here suffering together with you. 10 seconds left. Rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is squat and jump.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Stand with feet shoulder width apart and core engaged. Lower into a squat, keeping chest up and knees in line with toes. Jump up with force, land softly, and immediately go into the next squat. Keep doing until 45 seconds is over. This exercise strengthens your lower body and enhance balance and coordination. So keep pushing through every rep. No pain, no gain. Now rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is squat side kick.
Three, two, one, exercise.
Stand with feet shoulder width apart and core engaged. Lower into a squat, keeping chest up and knees aligned with toes. As you rise, lift one leg out to the side in a controlled kick. Return to standing and repeat on the other side. Keep doing until 45 seconds is over. We are midway through this workout, so don't give up. My legs are also burning like yours, but no pain, no gain. Now rest for 15 seconds. Next exercise is lateral lunges.
Three, two, one. Exercise.
Stand with your feet wider than hips, width apart and core engaged. Shift your weight to one leg, bending that knees while keeping the other leg straight. Push your hips back and keep your chest lifted. Push through the bent leg to return to standing and switch sides. This is an amazing exercise for your inner and outer thighs while working on your glutes and quads, giving your legs the burn it needs. So keep doing until 45 seconds is over. Rest for 15 seconds. Seventh exercise is crab walk.
Three, two, one. Exercise.
Start in a lower squat position with feet wider than shoulder width apart and chest up. Move forward vertically like a crab, keeping your hips low and core engaged. At the end of line, stand up tall, then return to the squat position. Repeat this pattern continuously for 45 seconds. Don't feel awkward, keep moving, as it is not just working on your quads and glutes but also strengthening your core. Now rest. Next exercise is split squats.
Three, two, one. Exercise.
Stand with one foot forward and other foot behind you. Lower your back knee towards the ground, keeping your front knee aligned with your toes. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. Press through the front heel to return to the standing position. Switch leg after 22 seconds. Three, two, one. Switch side. Every lunge is taking you one step closer to the stronger legs and unstoppable you. So don't give up, keep pushing your limit. Rest for 15 seconds. Ninth exercise is calf raise.
Three, two, one. Exercise.
Stand tall with feet hips width apart and core engaged. Lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Pose at the top, then slowly lower your heels back down. Repeat for 45 seconds. Calf raises strengthen your calves and ankles while improving your balance. We are also giving our thighs a quick breathe before the final push in the last workout. Rest for 15 seconds. Last exercise is sumo squat hold.
Three, two, one. Exercise.
Stand with feet wider than shoulder width apart and toes slightly out. Lower into a squat until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as comfortable. Keep your chest lifted, core engaged, and knees in line with your toes. Hold this position for 45 seconds. I know this is harder than it looks, that's why it's work, saving the best for the last. This is the time to remind yourself your goal and why you are here. So keep pushing until 45 seconds is over. This is the last exercise. Don't give up, guys. I'm here suffering together with you. And we did it. So proud of you guys. Now don't forget to stretch. You can also follow some of the simple stretches here. If this 10 minutes blast got your body fired up, hit that like, save this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.